Hi there, Tad Hargrave here. Thanks so much for stopping by my YouTube channel. There are a ton of videos, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of free videos for you to check out here. The thing I want to point out is you can click on the tab that says videos, but you can also click on the tab that says playlist, where you'll find the videos are organized into different themes and topics. But also, if you want to just primer a starter to get a real easy sense of how I see marketing, the 30,000 foot view, go to marketingforhippies.com/starter-kit. Or if you just go to the main page, you'll see it there. But there's a starter kit where you can get the entire footage of my day-long Marketing for Hippies one-on-one workshop. This is a workshop I've done for 20 years, toured all around the world. It's gotten rave reviews. This is my sort of masterclass on ethical marketing for uncertain times. So check that out. Check out the videos here. You can find me on Instagram at Marketing for Hippies, Facebook as well. Thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and then hit the little bell icon, and it'll make sure you're notified when you see new videos here. Thanks so much, everyone.